Welcome to the channel, a brand new channel. My friends call me BSat, and as you watch the symbolic making of a maker, I figured I'd tell you a little about myself. I suppose it all started when I was just knee-high to a grasshopper. In my shorter days, we didn't have internet. To satisfy my sense of curiosity, I had to take things apart, see how they worked. So that means I would take apart toys, tools, TVs, VCRs, yes, VCRs, anything with an electric motor. I would tear it apart just to see how it works. As time went on, I stepped up my game. I worked on bicycles, mini bikes, dirt bikes, and of course, eventually as a teen, cars. When I got to high school, I took auto mechanics class, and there I placed second in the county with Ford's junior technician competition. I believe that's what it was called. And I had an opportunity to go to Germany and train in the Porsche factory for 2 years, and then progress on to their race team for 2 years. But I turned all that down. I think this is when I was bitten by the motorsports bug, but more on that later. Instead, I went on to learn how to operate and maintain nuclear power plants with a specialty on the mechanical side, but I did do some cross-training on the electrical side as well. From there, I went to transmission and distribution where I worked in substations, mainly on high-voltage circuit breakers and transformers. After a few years, I found myself working in a coal-fired power plant, and there I really expanded my skill set and honed my craft. I started there in the mechanical shop, which was made up of millwrights, machinists, and welders. Everyone had a specialty, but they wanted you to be proficient in all three trades, which I took full advantage of. Now from here I made the unusual leap from the mechanical shop over to the instrumentation and control shop, where I spent the next 11 years. For those of you who don't know, the INC shop is responsible for all the sensors throughout the plant, as well as the computer system needed to operate the plant. Due to my background, timing, and a little bit of luck, I was involved in a couple of big projects in the INC shop. Those big projects put me in a position to specialize in a control system that's used to operate the plant. That means writing logic, tuning control loops, and maintaining the computer network. That's enough power plant stuff. I mentioned that I was bitten by the motorsports bug in high school, and I have to admit, that's an itch that hasn't gone away. You can see in this video behind me my tire balancing machine and my tire changer, and just a little bit of my weld cart there. I also have a portable car lift, I have a motorcycle lift, I have a motorcycle storage system on the wall. No bragging, just facts. So there will be some motorsports themed episodes in the future. I mean, I got all this equipment, I might as well use it and put it to good use. As far as shop equipment goes, I also have a CNC router, a CNC laser, and a 9x20 lathe. I like to think tools represent one's commitment to garage endeavors. I also think it's about time to start wrapping this up. That long-winded backstory is why I decided to make a channel. With a mixed background like mine and a shop full of tools, what could go wrong? That pretty much covers my origin story, but I think I'm going to leave you with this. So I got the job. Kinda. I'm a YouTuber now. Sorta. I don't make any money. I only have a few subscribers, but I'm ready to get onto that virtual stage and share my craft. And as the new guy on that virtual dial, I figured I should share with you what I think that this channel will be. Which is a guy in his garage, make some stuff, fix some stuff, and some shenanigans along the way. So, if you like some garage shenanigans, making some stuff and fixing some stuff, stick around.